Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best Jomashop discount promo codes which you can use on their website to get the discount. As you can see, almost 75% is already going on. So if you want to go with more coupon codes, just go to the Google and search here the name of the website, which is couponfollow.com. Make sure to enter the correct website, couponfollow.com. Otherwise, you can just search on Google as well, coupon follow, and you can just find the website couponfollow.com. So once you're at the homepage of the couponfollow.com on the right side, you will see a search section like this one. Just click on it, and inside this section, just write down Jomashop, and you will see the website jomashop.com. Just open this one, which we are looking for. As you can see, this is the same website. Let me just close it, and Jomashop, and here's the Jomashop. So as you can see, 170 votes and 4.4 rating, which means that a lot of people have tried, and these codes are almost working. Some of them might not be working due to like overuse. So make sure to try some variation: 10% off, 1% cashback, 5%, 20%. Scroll down, and $50 off. Let's say I want to go with this one. Just click on show coupon code. Once you click on show coupon code, as you can see, like this is the promo code which you can use. You can just click on copy, and it will be copied to your clipboard. Just click on redeem at Jomashop, and you will be redirected to the Jomashop website. Otherwise, you can just directly go to their website, scroll down, choose the product which you want to use for the promo code. Just choose the product, apply promo code, and you will get the discount. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can get these coupon codes and get a discount at Jomashop.